Hello children, how are you? Hope all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you EVS. EVS means Environmental Studies. Okay, in EVS we are going to learn the things around us. And our first topic is vegetables. Okay, I think you all have seen your mother using lot of vegetables during cooking, right children? And vegetables are very healthy to our body. So it is a healthy food. Vegetables are healthy food. And now today I am going to teach you a few vegetables names. Okay, I'll show them and I'll tell you their names, children. And first vegetable is onions. Okay, it is onions. So it is grown below the ground. Onions are grown below the ground and it can be eaten raw as well as cooked. Okay, it can be eaten raw as well as cooked, and it is called as onions. Okay, onions will be both white and in pink color. Okay, you can get onions in pink and white colors. Understood children? It is onions. And next vegetable is tomato. See, tomato will be red in color and it is, you can eat raw as well as cooked. Okay, it is a raw vegetable. Understood children? Tomato is a raw vegetable and it is called as tomato. And next vegetable is brinjal. See, it is brinjal. And we have other type of brinjal here. Okay, I have other type of brinjal with me here and it is called as eggplant. See, it is big, no? It is in an egg shape. It is in an oval shape. So it is called as eggplant. So both are brinjal only. But this is called as brinjal and it is called as eggplant. And it is cooked vegetable. Okay, you have to cook and eat this vegetable. Understood children? And the next vegetable is, see, this is a banana stem. Okay, this is also used as vegetables. Okay, it is also very good for kidneys. Okay, it is very good for our health. Okay, it is a stem of banana. Understood children? And next vegetable is capsicum. See, we have capsicum here. And you can get capsicum in three colors. That is green, red and yellow. Okay, we can get capsicums in three colors. That is green, red and yellow. And it is a raw vegetable. You can eat raw. Okay, you can cook as well as you can eat raw. Understood children? And the next vegetable is, see, garlic. It is also grown below the soil. So it is called as underground vegetable. So it is white in color. This is garlic. See children, it is garlic. See, this vegetable is called as kohlrabi. Okay, it is called as kohlrabi and it is green in color. It is a raw vegetable. You can eat raw as well as you can cook and eat this vegetable. It is called as kohlrabi. Okay, in Kannada you call it as nukol. Okay. See, next vegetable is cabbage. Okay, it is a leafy vegetable and it is a cabbage. You can eat it raw. Okay, you can cook and eat as well as you can eat it raw. It is called as cabbage. Next vegetable is carrot. See, carrot is in orange color. It is very good for our eyes and skin. Okay, okay children. It is also underground vegetable. It is grown below the soil. And again you can eat this vegetable raw. Okay, you can also call it as raw vegetable. It is carrot. Next vegetable is radish. Okay, this is radish children and it is in white color. It is also underground vegetable. It is grown below the soil and you can eat it raw. Again it is a raw vegetable. It is radish. See children, it is green in color. It is called as coyote. Okay, it is called as coyote. It is a vegetable. It is cooked vegetable. It is called as coyote. I repeat children, it is coyote. It is cooked vegetable. And this is again leafy vegetable. It is lettuce. I repeat children, lettuce. And this they will use in burger, sandwich. Okay, if you are eating burger and sandwich, they will use this letters in that. Okay, you can eat this raw also. Okay, it is a raw vegetable. And next vegetables are cucumber. See, it is cucumber and it is again a raw vegetable. It is cucumber. Understood, children? See, children, it is pumpkin. Okay, it is pumpkin. Okay, even the pumpkin is very huge. It is grown in a creeper. Okay, the pumpkin plant is a creeper that grows along the ground. It is pumpkin, children. Okay, it is a cooked food. You have to cook and eat this vegetable. See, this vegetable is called as squash. Okay, it is squash and it is again a cooked vegetable. It is squash. Understood, children? It is yellow in color. It is squash. It looks like cucumber only, but it is in yellow color. It is called squash. Next vegetable is zucchini. So it is called as zucchini. So it looks like same like a cucumber, but it is a zucchini. Okay, it is a vegetable called zucchini. I think all are familiar with this vegetable, children. It is drumstick. Okay, it is a cooked vegetable. It is drumstick, children. See, children, it is called as bitter gourd. Okay, it is called as bitter gourd. It is very good for health. Okay, even though it is bitter in taste, you have to eat this vegetable. Understood? It is called as bitter gourd. See, children, I think you have seen in the fridge this vegetable. This is called as rich gourd. Okay, it is called as rich gourd and it is also a cooked vegetable. It is a rich gourd. Okay, it is cooked vegetable. And the next vegetable is bottle gourd. Okay, it is bottle gourd. Again, it is a cooked vegetable. It is bottle gourd. Understood, children? See, children, it is a snake gourd. Okay, it is snake gourd. It is again a cooked vegetable. It is snake gourd. I think all are familiar with this, isn't it, children? Yes, it is corn. Okay, it is a sweet corn. See, it is belong to seeds category. Okay, it is a seeds category and it is called as corn. And next vegetable is potato. See, it is also grown below the soil and it is called as underground vegetable, and you have to cook and eat this vegetable, children. It is a cooked food and it is nothing but potato. Next vegetable is ginger. Okay, it is ginger. It is underground vegetable. Okay, children, it is called as ginger. This is sweet potato. Okay, this is sweet potato. It is a underground vegetable again. It is grown below the soil and it is a cooked food. Next vegetable is cauliflower. Okay, it is cauliflower and again it is a cooked vegetable, children. It is a cauliflower and it is cooked vegetable. See, we have other vegetable which looks like same like a cauliflower, but it is green in color and it is called as broccoli. It is broccoli, children. I repeat, broccoli. Next vegetable is, see, raw banana. Raw banana is used as a vegetable and so many people cook this. Okay, it is a cooked vegetable. It is raw banana. And the next vegetable is beetroot. Okay, again it is an underground vegetable because it is grown below the soil and you can eat it raw also. It is beetroot. Okay, children, we have other vegetable which looks same like a beetroot, but it is not a beetroot. It is called as turnip. See, it is turnip. In turnip, at bottom you can see white and top of the turnip it is in pink color. Okay, Again, it is an underground vegetable. Turnip is also underground vegetable. It is grown below the soil and you can eat it raw also. This is beetroot and it is turnip. And the next vegetable is yam. Okay. Again, it is a underground vegetable and it is called as yam, children. It is yam. And in yam we have other type of yam here, that is called as taro yam. Okay, it is taro yam. It is also underground vegetable. Okay, now let us see the vegetables like beans category. Okay, all types of beans. See, first is it is lady's finger. Okay, it is lady's finger. It is called as okra. Okay, it is also called as okra. I repeat, okra. It is lady's finger. Next, let us study all the types of beans. Okay, the vegetable which come under beans category. See, the normal beans is called as sting beans. Okay, I repeat, sting beans. And the beans which is longer ones. Okay, longer than the normal ones are called as French beans. Okay, this is French beans and it is sting beans. Okay, children, it is French beans and it is sting beans. See, children, it is called as cluster beans. Okay, I'll show you. It is called as cluster beans. Okay, it is cluster beans. And next type of beans is lima beans. This is called as lima beans. Next vegetable under the beans category is flat beans. Okay, this is seasonal vegetable. Okay, throughout the year you don't get this vegetable. It is a seasonal vegetable and it is called as flat beans. Okay, children, it is flat beans. And the next vegetable is point gourd. Okay, it is a point gourd and you can eat it raw. Okay, it is a raw vegetable. It is point gourd. It looks like a small cucumber. Okay, it is called as point gourd. And the next vegetable is mushrooms. See, I think you might be familiar with this, right? This is mushrooms. Next vegetables are chilies. Okay, see, this is chilies. Next type of vegetables are spring onions. See, this is called as spring onions. The stem of the onion plant is also used for cooking, children. It is called as spring onions. I repeat, children, spring onions. Next, I would like to show you leafy vegetable. Okay, green leafy vegetables. See, under green leafy vegetable, I think most of you will be familiar with this. This is spinach. I repeat, spinach. Very good for her body. Okay, her good health. This is spinach, children. And next type of green leafy vegetable is mint. Okay, it is mint. And the next one is coriander. So this is called coriander leaves. See, and this is curry leaves. Okay, children, this is curry leaves. Okay, children, that's all for today's class. Hope you all enjoyed. And you can ask your mother to show the vegetables which she has in her refrigerator, children. And you can ask the names of different vegetables which you have at your home. Okay, children, and you have to eat lot of vegetables because it is very good for our health. Okay, children, bye, take care.